Kamusta kayo mga tropa? Kumain na ba kayo? Kung hindi pa, ay tara na at kumain tayo. Ang ulam natin ngayon ay tortang talong. Tagalog muna tayo, mamaya na ang English. Ang tortang talong, kilala rin bilang eggplant omelette, ay isang torta sa lutuing Filipino na gawa sa pagprito ng buong talong na isinawsaw sa pinaghalong itlog. Isa itong sikat na pang-almusal at pananghalian sa Pilipinas. Isang karaniwang variante ng tortang talong ang relyenong talong, na pinalamanan ng karne, lamang dagat, at o mga gulay. Minsan pinapaikli ang pangalan sa tortalong. Sa saligang recipe ng tortang talong, iniihaw ang buong talong hanggang sa malambot ang laman at mukhang sunog at halos itim na ang balat. Maaari itong gawin sa parilya, baking pan, o sa ibabaw ng direktang apoy habang nakabalot ang talong sa palara, maaaring sa ibabaw ng gasera. Itong pag-iho ang nagbibigay ng lasang usok sa talong. Pagkatapos, binabalatan ang talong ngunit iniiwan ang tangkay. Minamasa ang laman gamit ang tinidor at isinasawsaw ito sa timpla ng binating itlog na nirekaduhan ng asin at mga espesya ayon sa kagustuhan. Piniprito ang talong hanggang sa gininto ang kayumanggi at malutong ang balat, habang malambot at makrema pa rin ang loob. English naman tayo, para sa mga tropa nating mga English spoken. Tortang talong, also known as eggplant omelette, is an omelette or fritter from Filipino cuisine made by pan-frying grilled whole eggplants dipped in an egg mixture. It is a popular breakfast and lunch meal in the Philippines. A common variant of tortang talong is relnong talong, which is stuffed with meat, seafood, and/or vegetables. The basic tortang talong recipe involves first grilling the whole eggplant until the flesh is soft and the skin becomes charred and almost black. This can be done in a charcoal grill, a baking pan, or over a direct flame while wrapped in aluminum foil, like on a gas stove. The grilling gives the eggplant a characteristic smoky flavor. The charred skin is then peeled off, although the stalk is retained. The flesh is mashed flat with a fork and dipped into a beaten egg mixture seasoned with a salt and spices to taste. The eggplant is then pan-fried until the outside is golden brown and crispy, while the core remains soft and creamy. The most common varieties of eggplants in the Philippines are the long and slender purple kind. When larger and rounder eggplant varieties are used, the eggplant may need to be halved or quartered, with the stalk still attached so they can be grilled more evenly. Tortang talong is most commonly eaten for breakfast or lunch. It is served on white rice, sometimes accompanied with a dipping sauce like soy sauce, vinegar, banana ketchup, etc., or additional seasoning like black pepper, calamansi, or chilies. It can also be served as a side dish to meat dishes. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang ganitong content, huwag kalimutan mag-follow at subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. Shoutout sa mga solid tropa natin dyan. Hanggang sa muli, paalam.